Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this absolutely fantastic 17 plate Ford Fiesta Titanium X. And with it being a Titanium X edition, it comes packed with features, and I really do mean packed with features. The car itself is finished in this absolutely stunning colour of ruby red metallic, and in the sun today it absolutely pops the colour of this car. The probably camera doesn't actually do it justice as what it would be in person. But yeah, to have a quick closer look around the vehicle, we'll come to the start at the front first. It's got the lovely chrome centre grille and styling. It comes with front fog lights, and it's got the LED daytime running lights. But again, looking at the colour and condition, it is absolutely in fantastic order. Now, taking a closer look down the passenger side of the vehicle, again, it's free from any visible dents or scrapes. And I keep mentioning the colour, but it absolutely pops in the sun. The car itself is riding on these lovely 8-spoke 17-inch alloy wheels, and they're in fantastic order all round, and they're wrapped in lovely premium tyres all round. Again, the chrome detailing runs around the windows. Again, you've got privacy glass with this vehicle, but just look at the colour, it's absolutely fantastic. Coming through to the rear, as you can see, you've got rear parking sensors. You've got a lovely reversing camera on this vehicle as well. So it is just really packed with features. Taking a close look now into the boot. Parcel shelf is present. You've got 60/40 rear split seats, and the storage space in one of these little Fiestas is fantastic. Like I said, really roomy, really spacious. Looking under the boot floor, you've got your tyre inflator kit, you've got your towing eye bar, and you've got your little funnel here. If you ever run out of fuel, you will require that to fill up the car with a jerry can. Coming down the passenger side of the vehicle, again, the chrome detailing runs throughout. The 17-inch alloy, there again, all in fantastic order on the passenger side. But what a really stunning car. Taking you through to the interior of the vehicle, we'll start off in the rear. Now look at this, it's got a full leather interior. So it's full black leather with a grey insert centres, and then you've got this lovely white contrast stitching. Looking at the rear seats, you've got Isofix, free headrests, so comfortable seating for free. Looking at the backs of the seats, you've got the extra storage space in here. But again, looking at the condition of the rear seats, they've not been kicked or damaged in any way at all. Taking a close look now into the front of the vehicle. And I forgot to mention as well, this little button here, that's for the keyless entry. But again, looking at the leather, it's in fantastic order throughout. The front seats are heated seats, so again, a lovely feature to the many features it has got on the vehicle. Looking at the steering wheel, that is in lovely order, in fantastic condition, no real signs of any heavy wear or any scratches with rings, anything like that. Looking at the window switches, you've got 4 electric windows, electric power fold mirrors, so when you press this button down, it will fold the mirrors in just like so, and then to get them back out, you just press it again like that. But jumping inside, as we're doing the video today, the car has only covered 23,946 miles. But again, saying it's a Fiesta, it's packed with features, and it's in fantastic order throughout. Looking at the light switch, you've got automatic headlights, there you go. Moving it over to here, and then you've got your trip computer, which is controlled on the end of the stalk here, so this alters where the mileage is. So you've got 86 miles to empty, that's your live data for miles per gallon, and it's averaging 39.7 to the gallon, and that's the average miles per hour. Again, taking a closer look at the steering wheel, you've got the controls here to control the radio screen. You've got your voice command. Please say a command. Just like so. And then looking on the other side of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control. So you just click this button on when you're driving, click the set button, and then it is just set just like that. Again, now taking a closer look at the radio, it's powered via the Sony radio, which is a fantastic radio. In these Fiestas, it really is crystal clear. So looking through the controls, you've got CD player, radio, which is a full DAB, so you get all the extended channels. aux connection, USB input, you've got your phone, so for Bluetooth connectivity, and then onto one of the key features of the vehicle, the Sat Nav. So if you click the nav button here, this is how you put your destination input in. So you've got last destinations, you can set your home address, so for quick and easy to take you home, you just press that button straight away there. You've got digital climate control, as we turn it down as it's getting quite hot in here. But again, flicking through to the map. There we go. Like I said, it's a really easy nav to understand and get your head round. It is very simple to use. And then coming through to the climate control, you've got your heated front windscreen, your heated rear windscreen, and as I was saying, it's digital climate control. And again, the heated seats, so they've got two options, just like so. And the car itself is via the 1 litre EcoBoost engine, which is a lovely engine, very economical, and it's powered through a 5-speed gearbox. Looking then down here, the car is supplied with 3 keys. You've got your cup holders here, and then your extended storage here with the armrest. If we take a closer look in there, again, just more extended storage. But it is really a high specification Ford Fiesta. Cheap to insure with it being the 1 litre EcoBoost engine, and again packed with features in this stunning ruby red metallic paint. But yeah, if any further questions, please give us a call on 01942 231 123, or give us an email at sales@alphamotors.co.uk, and we look forward to your inquiry. Thanks for watching.